Good morning. My name is Ray. I'm here with Team S.T.E.A.M. and I'm here in Flash Industrial Painting this morning. I'm going to have a whole day's worth of stuff planned. I got some sandblasting to do, and I've got some prep I got to do and some painting I got to do. But first thing I want to do is take this truck I just painted and put it to work. Okay, so this is my pile of sand. It's used sand. I get my sand in 80-pound bags, and then when it hits the ground, like you see all around you here, eventually in the fall of the year, I'll go ahead and plow it all up into a pile and then cover it with a tarp so I can use the used sand all winter long. I still need new sand for certain things. There's a lot of things that, that old sand won't really break through that new sand does, but I can use used sand for a lot of stuff, including this. Here, this is a vacuum tank vessel meant to bolt on a regular semi. And what I mean by that is, see that? These right here, they bolt right to a fifth wheel plate. Where the fifth wheel plate goes on a truck, they just unbolt that and bolt that right up and then secure it in a couple other spots, and they turn a regular semi into a vac truck instantly. And then they put the fenders on afterwards. These brackets that you see right here, there's plenty of them. This is all a brand new vessel, and so all today I'm going to be doing is sandblasting all the spots I don't feel like scratching. All the welds, all these little nooks and crannies, those little nooks and crannies, down inside this expanded metal and these nooks and crannies, all this sort of stuff I'm going to sandblast up under there. I'm going to sandblast all that so I don't have to get into there and actually sand it. The pipes, all the welds, all the hatches, there's 3 hatches on this one, will all be sandblasted all around everything. And then I'm going to hit the sides with a regular sander. It does a better job. This one's going to be a two-tone, red and white. It's cold out last night. And there you have it. All the things that needed to be sandblasted are sandblasted. Now it's time to pull her into the shop. Well, the first thing we're going to do is get this trailer mast up. We're going to throw some plastic over it so we don't get any overspray on it. We got to get rid of all these chains right here. And that's where we're going to start. Okay, now we're gonna sand this guy. We're gonna sand the sides here because I did not sandblast the sides. I'm gonna be using 150 grit, 6-inch. It's called Hook It. If you're 3M, it's hook it. Otherwise, it's just Velcro backed, or there's a lot of different hook and loop is what they always call it. But 150 grip, 6-inch DA. We're gonna sand all of that, prime it, and get some white paint on it, because that's where the stripe goes, and the stripe goes on first. All right, I got the sides all sanded. Let's get it blown off. Now that we've got it blown off, it's time to get some primer on this girl. All right, now we're ready to put some paint on it. All right, so we did get some primer on it and we did get some paint on it. That'll be ready tomorrow for me to put a stripe on it. We'll see how that goes. That's about all I'm gonna get done for today though. It's dark outside, and I'm gonna go have myself some good food and relax a little bit. Catch you tomorrow.